We are given two-dimensional formula statements, one for specific heat and one for the gas constant. Let us solve step by step. Heat has the same dimensions as energy. So we start from heat equals mass into specific heat into temperature change. Mass cancels out, leaving length squared, time power minus 2 per Kelvin. So statement 1 is correct. For the gas constant, we use the ideal gas equation. Number of moles is treated as a separate amount count here, so we compare pressure times volume per temperature. Pressure into volume gives energy dimension. Dividing by temperature gives time power minus 2, not time power minus 1. So statement 2 is incorrect. Therefore, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Keep practicing with Acharya for more clear exam solutions.